Whether you run a quick service restaurant, a convenience store, a bar, a cafe, or are in healthcare, bib racks are a must have for any dispensing package. They keep your syrups elevated to prevent leaks. That means a cleaner, more hygienic workplace. Plus, they make empty boxes easy to identify and replace, so your team saves time and stays efficient. Ordering your rack is super simple. First, choose horizontal or vertical, then pick your width, 1 wide, 2 wide, or 3 wide box size. Next, the side of your shelves are inclined, flat, or vertical. You can choose up to 6 shelves. Did you want a top shelf? You can add that as well. Next, we offer multiple pump options, such as FlowJet T Series, FlowJet G Series, SureFlow, or Brix. We'll also want to choose a pump location. Top mounted or center mounted, left side, right side, or both. You can choose up to 12 pumps. Next, we'll choose the bib connectors. You can mix and match or stick with one. We've got QCDI gray, blue Versi, Liquibox green, Liquibox orange, and red connectors. Did you need bib selectors or transfer valves? No problem. We offer FlowJet selectors, short flow selectors, and high altitude selectors. We also carry a wide variety of regulators. You can choose from the standard 1 pressure, 1 outlet secondary mounted and plumbed in the rack with a high pressure regulator in a box strapped to a shelf for on-site installation, or pre-plumbed secondary regulators only. Or you can also choose 2 low pressure regulators, one for standard syrups and one for flavor shots. Finally, you can add casters to make your rack mobile. If you're unsure where to start, Apex offers standard models such as 3x5, 2x4, and 3x4 racks, which are available right now at totalapex.com. But we also offer a fully customizable experience to build the perfect rack for your business. Reach out to our customer service team or your salesperson and start building your ideal rack today.